How to grow ginger at home. Growing ginger at home is simple, even if you don't have a garden. Ginger grows well in containers indoors or on a shaded patio and provides a fresh supply of flavorful, healthy rhizomes. What you'll need: fresh organic ginger root with visible eyes, growth buds, a wide, shallow pot with drainage holes, rich, well-draining potting soil, compost, optional, water, a warm location with bright, indirect sunlight. Step 1. Choose healthy ginger. Select a fresh, plump ginger root with several visible buds, eyes. Organic ginger is best because it is less likely to have been treated with growth inhibitors. Tip: larger pieces with multiple buds usually produce stronger plants. Step 2. Prepare the ginger. If your ginger is large, cut it into sections. Make sure each piece has at least 1 or 2 buds. Allow the cut pieces to dry for 24 to 48 hours so the cuts form a protective callus. Step 3. Prepare the pot. Fill a wide, shallow container with a well-draining potting mix. Mix in compost if available. Leave about 1 inch of space from the top. Step 4. Plant the ginger. Place each ginger piece with the buds facing upward. Plant 1 to 2 inches deep. Space pieces about 6 to 8 inches apart. Cover lightly with soil. Step 5. Water carefully. Water until the soil is evenly moist. Avoid standing water, waterlogged soil. The soil should stay slightly moist, but never soggy. Step 6. Give it the right environment. Ginger prefers temperatures between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees C to 29 degrees C. Bright, indirect sunlight. High humidity. Keep it away from cold drafts and direct afternoon sun. Step 7. Watch it grow. Sprouts usually appear in 2 to 6 weeks. Water when the top inch of soil begins to dry. Feed monthly with a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season. Step 8. Harvest your ginger. Young ginger, ready in 4 to 6 months, mild and tender. Mature ginger, ready in 8 to 10 months. Leaves begin turning yellow, rich, spicy flavor. Lift the plant gently and harvest only what you need. Step 9. Keep growing. See the healthy piece with buds and replant it. This allows you to enjoy fresh ginger year after year. Helpful growing tips. Use a wide pot because ginger spreads horizontally. Mist the leaves occasionally if the indoor air is dry. Remove yellow or dead leaves. Keep weeds out if growing outdoors. Rotate the pot every few weeks for even growth. Avoid overwatering. The most common reason ginger fails is root rot. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship Today.